HR Scorecard is an indispensable tool that bridges the gap between human capital management and strategic organizational goals. This presentation includes scorecards to streamline the process. Use this KPI Scorecard PPT for optimized workforce management. It includes metrics such as employment, performance, compensation, and culture. Get access to this feature-packed HR Scorecard PowerPoint presentation now and grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. Get an HR scorecard to evaluate the efficiency of the hiring and recruitment process. Leading parameters depicted on this PPT template are the quality of hire, recruitment cost, acceptance ratio, and much more. Use this PPT slide to facilitate a comprehensive evaluation of the HR department's performance. The end result is to enable a systematic assessment based on predefined objectives, measurable criteria, attained targets, and the department's strategic initiatives. Gain exclusive access to a scorecard aligned with strategic objectives, such as improving employee productivity, creating a positive work environment, enhancing employee satisfaction, and optimizing performance management systems. You can also analyze your employee satisfaction level with a helpful resource. It covers finances, training and innovation, and so on, with a 2-year comparison table. Stay ahead in HR management and analysis with our HR Scorecards templates. Click the link below to download. This structured PPT slide equips you with the knowledge and actions needed to play the strategic role of HR managers. The key result areas are deliverables, efficiency, system alignment, and performance work system. Use this PowerPoint slide to streamline the scoring process to measure leading HR indicators like acquisition, onboarding, growth, and development. Want more? Get access to this dashboard to measure training effectiveness and get analytics for crucial components like absence rate and cost, productivity rate, engagement index, and many more. Also, evaluate the recruitment cost per hire with this consolidated layout and ensure a cost-effective process of recruitment. Note that the quality of talent is always high and is never compromised. Isn't it convenient? For more such business presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net.